mix in your ground beef, onions, paprika, Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, and about a tablespoon of flour, then mix. Form them into patties around 100 grams each and let this set in the fridge while we make our gravy. In a pot, add in the butter and saute your mushrooms. Season with black pepper. Add in 2 tablespoons of flour, mix very well, then deglaze it with some Worcestershire sauce. Add in about 2 cups of water, then mix, let this boil, and drop in half a cube of chicken bouillon. Mix very well and let this reduce until it's quite sticky, and this is done. Set aside. In a grill pan or saute pan, spray some oil, then drop in your patties. 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Carefully flip your patties, unlike what I'm about to do here, to avoid it from breaking. First batch is done, remove from the pan, and let's plate this up. In a plate, line up your patties, top with the mushroom gravy, and voila! Burger steak with mushroom gravy done.